Yes, indeed. Training the ITM way, building complete athletes, quick, powerful, unshakable, and mentally sharp. This is all designed with intent, speed, strength, reaction, breathing. It's all in the mix with the ITM way. High level work with grit behind it. Oh, and by the way, this young wolf has some raw potential. Let's work.